Sophia, someone wants to hear your
I
story.
can't right now. Just yeah, just very.
She's going to tell your story.
You're a beautiful little girl.
Start telling you.
Yes, you are.
She starts cooing.
I know, it's so
Just a
cute.
beautiful little girl.
She tries to mimic me when I go like this.
You hear her coo? She coos all the time.
I heard it one time. I think I heard
Yeah.
so.
You want to tell me a story? Tell me.
Oh, dear, I heard that.
Really?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
You're talking to it, don't you?
And then what happened? Did you beat him up? Did you beat that boy up?
You're telling us all about it.
Did he try and kiss you? Yeah, you beat him
No,
up.
Elmo. Elmo tries to kiss her.
Her loves Elmo.
Almost.
Elmo, the little doll.
Look at he loves Elmo. No, you see.
You gonna hack off your legs?
You sure are sweet.
No, I'm hack yours off.
Yes, you are.
I can't be hobbling if I'm carrying a 14-pound baby.
Okay, you get everything.